Are you wondering why YouTube TV keeps changing your location? In this video, I'm going to break it all down for you and explain what might be causing this issue. If you've ever been confused by sudden changes in your content or channel availability, you'll want to hear this. YouTube TV determines your location using your IP address or billing address. If it seems to think you're in a different location, it could be due to using a VPN or proxy, which masks your IP address and may cause YouTube TV to restrict access. Traveling can also trigger location changes, as the platform adjusts your local channels to match your current region. Additionally, shared Wi-Fi networks or mismatched billing addresses might confuse the service. To fix this, disable your VPN, ensure your billing address is correct, and use a stable internet connection. If issues persist, contact YouTube TV support for assistance. If this video helped you understand why YouTube TV changes your location, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.